Have your first quarter earnings results from Microsoft, and wow, what a quarter. Fantastic growth from a really big company. I'm Cory Johnson, Chief Market Strategist from the Futurum Group. And when we look at these numbers, Wall Street likes a beat or a miss, and yeah, I guess this was a beat, but if we dig a little bit deeper into the actual numbers here, revenues of $52.7 billion, that's right, with a B, up 2%. Operating income profits, GAAP profitability of $20.4 billion. Again, a fantastic number, also a really big increase. These numbers are growing at 17, 18, 19, 20% on a year-over-year basis. A fantastic big business, and the sales are juiced by the cloud. The cloud business at Microsoft is growing faster than any other business, and it's increasingly important to this company. It's got to be a dominant part of their business, bigger than any other, yes. It's now 43% of revenues. But when we look a little bit deeper at what's going on there, it's bringing up all of the results and driving other parts of the business. And what's driving the cloud? Why is it rising? The tide rising, all the businesses rising with that success in the cloud? Shocker, it's AI. So we're going to dig into the AI numbers in a second here, but I want to look at how the market reacted to this stock. The stock went straight up about 5%, and it was a robust print, if you will, going into this. Wall Street was pretty excited about these results. It seemed like if anything was going to disappoint the market, it could have been Microsoft, because the stock was up 45% into this year. But no, these results did not disappoint. The excitement over the AI was warranted. And the AI results, the AI business, the relationship with OpenAI and ChatGPT is driving customers away from Amazon and to Azure. It's a really remarkable success that Satya Nadella called out in today's conference call.
So that's sort of been a significant help for us in terms of acquiring even new customers. Some of the logos I even referenced in my remarks are new Azure customers. So that's one. The second thing that we're also seeing is AI just doesn't sit on its own. So AI projects obviously start with calls to AI models, but they also use a vector database. In fact, Azure Search, which is really used by even ChatGPT, is one of the fastest growing services for us. We have Fabric integration to Azure AI, and so Cosmos DB integration. So the data tier, the dev tools is another place where we are seeing great attraction. So we are seeing adjacent services in Azure that get attached to AI. And lastly, I would say migration to Azure as well. So this is not just all an AI story. We're also looking at customers. I mean, this is something that we have talked about in the past, right? Which is, there's always an optimization cycle, but there's also, as people optimize, they spend money on new project starts, which will grow, and then they'll optimize. So it's a continuous side of it. So these are the three trends that are playing out on Azure in terms of what at least we see on demand side.
So lots of trends driving business to Azure, not least of which ChatGPT and excitement over AI, and that's just getting going. All right, we're going to have a summary of these results. The one thing you need to know, and one number you need to know, the drill down bite right after this.
The drill down is brought to you by Futurum Group, where analysts, researchers, advisors, content creators, and marketing experts help business leaders anticipate and understand shifts in their industries and build strategies to leverage disruptive innovation. With deep analysis, Futurum Group's extensive industry experience delivers reliable research and data, thought leadership, and actionable advice to help you with your strategy and go-to-market efforts. Futurum Group.
Here's 1 minute summary of everything you need to know about Microsoft's earnings. $62 billion in revenue, up 17% over the previous year. Profits grew even faster, growing at about almost 20% to $22 billion. But the thing that was driving that, well, the 17% revenue growth is nothing to sneeze at. 21% revenue growth in their cloud business. That was fantastic. That drove the overall results, and that's one number you need to know, the drill down bite. All right, thanks for listening to Drill Down Earnings. Check me out on X at Cory TV, TikTok and Instagram at Drill Down Pod. Robust earnings reports on Futurum Group's YouTube channel. Follow us, like us, dislike us if you must, but tell us what you think. Drill Down Earnings, part of 6.5 Media.